Well, welcome back, people. This is Danny from DOSOJO World. We're going to do a little bit of refurbishing today. Here's another one that I found by the side of the road. Check this out. Wait till you see what plans I have for this one. Let's pull it apart and put it together. Okay, here we go, people. Got some stuff ready for the paint shop. Got it disassembled already. Let's go play. I am so excited. Look what just came. Amazon just delivered. I had to open it halfway before I could even put it on the video. Take a look at this. Look at there. Is that green or what? Well, guys, all pumped up, ready to go.
Why keep saying that?
What do you think, guys? First glance. It's coming out beautiful. Hey guys, if you like what you see, hit that like button. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Also share it, it's fun. Tell me what you think. Take a look. Not too bad, right? Hey Javier, your bikes are ready. And you Gator fans, don't worry, I have the blue for you. This is Danny from DOSOJO World. Thank you for watching. Well guys, all pumped up? Ready to go.
Why keep saying that?
Well guys, all pumped up? Ready to go.